Good morning, everybody. So I'm gonna get changed right now, or I'm gonna brush my teeth and stuff. Okay, so I think I'm gonna now I have to brush my hair, and now I'm gonna put this towel on. Okay, so I finished taking a shower. Now I'm gonna put on a robe. Stuff. Now I need to change. Ropes on top. Now I'm just gonna do some stuff. Guys, if you're Toca Boca YouTuber wants to be really healthy, here's a recipe. Wait, I need something. Since she doesn't have it, she needs to go to the grocery store. Oh no, man, she has it. So what you're gonna do is mix these two. There you go. A healthy, nice salad. I just need to get the table ready. Almost out of baby food. Oh, that must be them. Hi. Here's your baby foods and thank you. Oh, I ordered a junk load of baby food. Yeah. So, can you sign here? Thank you, no problem. Bye. Bye. Okay, since he's gone, I'm gonna like put this in the bucket. The baby food. And now I think this is done. A kindergarten or like school in Toca Boca recommendation for like 1-year-olds. That'd be really nice. Okay, in the comments, thank you though. And also guys, I'm gonna end this series soon because I don't have a lot of ideas for episodes. So if you could save the series by giving me ideas in the comments, then I won't stop the series. And if like I don't get like any ideas, then I'm gonna have to end it. Okay, and that's all I have to say. So please save the series. Okay, now I'm just gonna like heat up the baby. I know why I have to heat it up. I think just like baby, not like, yeah, well, I think it tastes better to them when it's like warm. Well, I need to get Piper. There's a chunk of baby. Yeah. So, can you sign here? Thank you, no problem. Bye. Bye. Okay, since he's gone, I'm gonna like put this in the bucket. Baby food. I got her the baby food. And now I think this is done. Guys, can you give me like a kindergarten or like a school in Toca Boca recommendation for like 1-year-olds? That'd be really nice. Okay, in the comments, thank you though. And also guys, I'm gonna end this series soon because I don't have a lot of ideas for episodes. So if you could save the series by giving me ideas in the comments, then I won't stop the series. And if like I don't get like any ideas, then I'm gonna have to end it. Okay, and that's all I have to say. So please save the series. Okay, now I'm just gonna like heat up the baby milk. I know why I have to heat it up. I think just like babies, not like, yeah, well, I think it tastes better to them when it's like warm. Well, I need to get Piper. Oh, Piper. Okay. I really wish we had like a high chair. I don't think there's any movable high chairs. Let me take your baby food. I ordered a lot of baby food from DoorDash. Can't say DoorDash right. DoorDash. Wait, do they dash your door? When I am the rhythm starts to play, sing with me, make me sway. I want to give a shout out to Dan TDM. Love his videos, makes wonderful videos. Go check him out. He plays a lot of games like Minecraft and stuff. Please go check him out. He's a really good YouTuber. Need to fix that candle. Okay, and now I think this is done. Done. Okay. In the comments, thank you though. And also guys, I'm gonna end this series soon because I don't have a lot of ideas for episodes. So if you could save the series by giving me ideas in the comments, then I won't stop the series. Okay, in the comments, thank you though. And also guys, I'm gonna end this series soon because I don't have a lot of ideas for episodes. So if you could save the series by giving me ideas in the comments, then I won't stop the series. Okay, and that's all I have to say. So please save the series. Okay, now I'm just gonna like heat up the baby milk. I know why I have to heat it up. I think just like babies, not like, yeah, well, I think it tastes better to them when it's like warm. Well, I need to get Piper. So guys, please save the series by commenting on the video. What should I make next, guys? Please save the series by commenting what I should make next. Okay, thank you. Now back onto the video. Oh, I think your milk is done. Okay. Now I need to go like grocery shopping. Oh, oi! Oh, hi, Mark. Oi, Georgia. So I was wondering, did you go to Secure's wedding? Same. How did you get all the way over there? Airplane. Oh. I think I need like some cereal. Can I get a bag? Same. Oh, the coffee looks really good. Can't get them to buy it. I need more chicken, like this too. I need cereal really bad, like craving. Okay, well, let me get money. I think this is like about $30. Just so you know, guys, these are like $10 bills. Here, Mark. Obrigado. Ciao. Ciao. Well, guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe down below. Bye.